Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in Eastbourne and this is Helen Gardens. Lovely quiet little gardens, and as if you look at Eastbourne with the sea in front of you, this is west. So down past that block of apartments would be the pier, and it's walking up towards Holywell. Oh, there is street parking. If you park on the main road, I think that is pay and display, but if you can get in the side street, you're allowed 2 hours with no return within 1 hour. To be fair, that may apply to the main road as well. You've got 4 hours no return with 1 hour within 1 hour. Okay, so there's lots of benches just to sit down and relax. Beautiful thatched cafe. There's a defibrillator on the side. Toilets. Some lovely plants. Little playground here, the Helen Garden play area for the kids. As we walk down, there's a bowling green. Jeez.
Yeah. And then I can't remember what happened. Someone had an injury. I can't remember if it was me or Kay.
Cars, we're on the south coast playing flat green bowls, which is rink bowls, and this is the St Johns Meads Bowls Club. Just having a measure. So the difference between crown green is what we play up in the Midlands. They also play flat green, but I play crown. So in crown green, if you've watched any of my previous videos, you can see that our jack has a bias, and you can go anywhere on the green as long as it's 19 metres from the mat, whereas in rink bowls or flat green, the jack doesn't have a bias, and the leader or the winner of the end gets to set the distance. So this lady is just about to put the mat down. Oh no, I've just finished. Just my luck. So I can't show you what or how it differs, unfortunately. Bit of bad luck on my point there. Okay, I'm going to call it a day for this one. So as always, if you've watched till the end, please give it a like, a subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one.